Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be washing my coloured clothes on the multicolour cycle. So I'm going to set the wash machine to wash on the multicolour cycle, which is the number 10 on the list, and I am going to switch it on. So I have a mixture of coloured clothes and I'm hoping that the colours will not fade or mix together. So this will run on a cooler temperature. The only problem with that is it probably will not remove stains on your clothes as the temperature is not hot enough. So my advice will be to try and remove the stains before you put them in the wash machine with Vanish. That's right, Vanish. I usually turn my coloured clothes inside out to protect the colour. So yeah, they're all in the wash machine now. So I'm going to start the wash cycle and I will see you at the end.
Why does this guy keep on swinging? Where's the last guy? Oh. There's two wash. Now there's two wash strings. That is it. So now there's two people that are I don't like being the first person every single start. I'm always first. Oh, he's never played this game before. There's a smiling face, you know, that free one on the bacon. And now, whilst I'm playing that, so he used 10 Robux, even though I used 40 on some tracksuit bottoms.
I used to buy stuff in Swift.
Oh, is that remote? Who the hell is remote? This is a mad hiding spot. Look at this hiding spot. Who's the mud? Who's the mud? Like, it's not real. No, he's killed two. No, he's killed two. That means oh, I do see a new right now. I can't even see their name tags out. Am I gonna kill anyone? Oh, we don't know, Myra. Oh, are you the man? I feel like this guy's in the man. But she's so slow, that's the thing. Who the hell was Myra? If it was Rio, he's such a noob. I bet it was Rio. Oh, it was this girl. She was... Oh, it's that... I knew it was that girl. She's so slow, wow. Yeah, it's this super mover guy. Oh, he's on level 10. Now he is on level 2. Oh, I just traded someone who was in the game. Like, how do you spell Lamayo? L-A-M-O. Oh, then how do you spell it? Why can't I type it? Oh, I have 814 coins. Oh my god, is this really where we was hiding? Lamar. There's murder song down Lamar. Oh, the bacon man was the show. Lamar. Are they camping? Oh, campfire, yeah. that mark. Shoot, oh, get your gun. It's going to get it. Shoot the mark. Oh my god, she just had a throwing knife at him. Right, I've got the gun. Where is this, my god? There you are, son. Oh god, people are joining. And now there's someone in front of me. Oh my god, this guy's got the Elderwood Synth. That looks mad. I'm not gonna lie, that video's murderer. And he was. Wow, really? Oh, Sheriff! What's wrong with me and these hobbies? Sometimes it's easy. This is hard. Because there's this blue thing over there. This part is the hardest part.
Really?
God, just... I need to crack my toe. Oh, you actually did it.
That was the easiest thing ever.
Well, next time it's that, I will ask you to do it then. Well, you can't make it all the way up to the top in that much time, Zach. Trust me, you're gonna fail. Oh!
Okay, that's the wash cycle finished, and there are the clothes. As you can see, the colour is still intact and hasn't faded. One thing I would like to mention is that the clothes do not smell as fresh than when I run them on the normal cycle, like the synthetic cycle. And I think the reason for that is because I overloaded the wash machine. So that's a tip to remember. Do not overload your wash machine, especially if you're washing on a cooler temperature setting. Okay, that's it for this video. Please give this video a like, leave any comments down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see more videos from How To Not To. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bubblegum, see ya later.